At Metrolab, reliability isn't just a promise, it's a legacy. When I see instruments coming for calibrations that were built 40 years ago, it tells a powerful story. Not just about durable engineering, but also about the trust customers place in us year after year. Since I joined Metrolab in 2019, I see firsthand how our commitments to quality opens doors. Every device we produce is rigorously tested, and our local engineering and manufacturing in Switzerland gives us the agility to respond quickly to evolving challenges. In 2023, we became an ISO 17025 accredited calibration laboratory, a milestone that strengthens our position in precision measurement. And when we say precision, we mean it. Our instruments can measure magnetic fields with an accuracy equivalent to measuring the height of Mount Everest with the thickness of a human hair. As a small company, we punch well above our weight, offering elite standards with a personal touch.